Again, so for the record, the videos were shown for the guidance of the justice members in the determination of the sufficiency in substance.
Madam Chair.
Madam Chair,
Let us recognize first the endorser before we recognize the justice members.
I just wanted to put on record that Mr. Osias was the former chair of the Bids and Awards Committee.
That is noted, Honorable De Lima. Honorable Suntay?
Yeah, I just also want to put on record that, in fact, the video actually supports my earlier statement. That, kagaya yung binigay kay the first one, Mercado. She allegedly received an envelope, not from the Vice President, but from someone, but she was not asked to do anything. While she was a member of the PAC, in fact, sinabi niya sa statement niya, there was a bidding, magfe-fail yung bidding, and it did not push through. So, ibig sabihin, it was not to influence her because the bidding did not push through dahil magfe-fail bidding nga eh. Secondly, Catalan said she was the chief accountant. Ang testimony niya was, yes, she got an envelope, she was a chief accountant, but she did not say that she was made to doctor any books. Now, Usayas, yung statement niya, he was not even a member of the PAC at that time. Yun yung statement niya eh. If we could play it again. Then it must mean that if there was indeed money being given, envelopes being given, it was given randomly to people, not in exchange for anything. Because the video was very clear. Thank you, Madam Chair.
The Honorable Shua.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, if I remember it correctly, during the question and answer portion between this humble representation and Mercado, I even asked Yusek Mercado, saan po binibigay yung envelope? Yung po ay binibigay po sa mismong opisina ng secretary.
Madam Chair, well,
I'm not yet finished. Let me finish first. Now, having said that na, Madam Chair, ito naman po ay determination lamang tayo ng recital ng facts of the offense charge. Yung pong defense.
Desperado na ang mga congressman, lumang video ebidensya, pilit gustong ikonekta kay BP Sara sa impeachment. Mr. Congressman, mga lumang ebidensya na ito, wala na bang bago dyan? Buong mundo nagkagulo na, kayo impeachment pa rin kay BP Sara ang inatupag nyo.
Ang ikinuwento ni Yusek Mercado, envelope containing cash.
Alright, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, no, I must be candid about this. I must say I did, but I didn't know because I was new in the department. I thought it was a practice of the department. I thought, the very first time I encountered that matter, sir, was sometime in April of 2023. I didn't know I was summoned to the office of ASEC Shine, and then I was given an envelope, and it was later on I found out that there was money in it, but it was not because I was a PAC member or whatever yet, because I was not at that time.
At that last hearing, sabi ni Yusek Mercado, kung natatandaan ko, 9 envelopes yung natanggap niya amounting to 50,000 each. Sa inyo pong pagkakaalala, hanggang kailan kayo nakatanggap na envelope? Ilan?
It started April. I think it was until September of that year.
Up to September 2023?
Yes, sir. But if I recall it right, I was only summoned about 4 times to the office.
4 times?
Yes.
Up to September 2023?
Yes, sir.
So yung last quarter po, wala na kayo natanggap?
Wala na po.
So in other words, wala kayong envelope na natanggap ng 4th quarter ng 2023. Tama po?
Yes, sir.
Mukhang sumakto Sa panahon na hindi na ginamit ng DepEd yung confidential fund for the last quarter nang pumuputok na issue ng confidential fund. Anyway, Mr. Osias, I think this was also mentioned by the BP in a press conference na magkano po pala yung laman? Magkano po laman ng envelope?
I think it was something like between 12 to 15, sir. Hindi ko na ho matandaan yung laman talaga.
12 to 15,000.
Very minimal amount, yes, sir.
Attorney Ucias admitted that he has received envelopes. I'm not saying it's wrong, no? Can be an appreciation thing or a love gift, whatever it might be. I don't think it's wrong. Pero if that is actually the habit of the secretary to give envelopes to her people, I wonder if only Yusek Mercado or you receive envelope. Perhaps Yusek Mempin should also say something about that, or anybody here among the Debet family. Because as I've said, no, when you receive an envelope, there was no thinking that there's anything wrong with that. Wala kaming inaiisip ng masama yan. Just, you're under oath and just tell us about it. And thank you for telling us that.
Sabi po ni Honorable Bong Sontay, pwede po yung ilabas pagdating po sa mismong hearing proper sa Senado. But in the meantime, we are at the point of determining the substance. Now, Madam Chair, insofar as the manifestation of Honorable Sontay a while ago that this video are not included in the complaint. However, under our rules, Section 6, Rule 3, it provides that once we determine that there is sufficient in form and substance, we will request the respondent to submit their answer. Tama po ba? And then after 3 days, may reply. At po pwede po sa mga to mag-attach ng mga documentary evidence, additional evidence. In fact, even affidavit and counter affidavit. So we are not limited dito po sa mga naka-attach lamang dito. Ito po later on, o pwede po yan once mga pleadings na nagpalitan na dito po. But for now, we should first determine if there is sufficiency in substance by just reading the facts if there is an offense charge. Yun lang po,
Madam Chair, short reply lang.
Honorable
Very, very
Sontay.
short. Yes, well, tama yung sinabi ni Rep. Joshua, and I'm happy that he read it from our rules. Ang sinabi niya, once there is a determination of sufficiency in form and substance, we could receive additional proof. That there is still no determination in sufficiency in substance at this point. So it's premature to introduce it now. Pero hindi naman ako nag-object eh. Hindi naman ako nag-object. Dahil actually maganda nga na pinakita natin yung video because it supports my earlier statement. Now, and lastly, yung akin naman, while I know ito, yung hearing natin na ngayon is in determination of form and substance lang. Itong mga tanong ko lang naman at observation is being brought out because I want us to use the same parameters na ginamit natin sa impeachment complaint kay President BBM. Which, andun din ako eh. And we did exactly the same thing. So I just want us to use the same parameters. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Sontay. If there are no other